Master your training with Avatar Academy's learning modes. Complete all modes to pass the training module. When you're ready to begin, press the Start button. Welcome to this injection molding training module, where we will explore the machine cycle stages in the injection unit and learn to correctly set the shot size on a mold. The first step is to power up the machine. Press the highlighted power button on the control panel to your left. To understand how the injection cycle works, we'll need to get a good view. Open the highlighted door. To give us the best view, we'll need to look inside the barrel to see how the screw moves. Plastic enters the barrel through the hopper as solid granules. As the screw rotates, it melts the plastic through frictional heating as well as heat from the barrel heaters. The settings for this stage are screw RPM speed and back pressure. By the time the screw has pushed the plastic to the front of the barrel, it is fully melted. This process is known as plasticizing. After plasticizing, the decompression step relieves pressure. The settings for this stage are decompression speed and decompression distance. Next, the screw pushes forward, injecting melted plastic into the mold at a controlled speed. This is called the injection stage. The final stage is called holding, or packing, where the screw continues to apply pressure to compensate for shrinking and ensure stability in the finished part. These four stages, plasticizing, decompression, injection, and holding, cycle repeatedly with each part made. This process repeats through the cycle, injecting a consistent volume and temperature of melt into the mold for consistent parts. When you're ready to proceed, close the highlighted door. Determining the volume of melt needed for a mold requires some testing. Look at the screen on the door in front of you, and press. Variables like melt temperature will mean that you won't know the exact shot size needed, but we'll start with 20 mm, punch 2 and 0. Now press Enter. With the shot size set, we just need to select semi-automatic mode, and we're ready to run a shot. Start the cycle and let's see how full the parts are. We'll need to inspect a part to see if we've correctly set the shot size for this mold. Pick up the part so that you can examine. This is a short shot. There wasn't enough plastic to fill the cavities fully. We'll need to increase the shot size. Release the part on the highlighted target. We'll need to adjust our shot size. Call up the number pad again. 20 was too small. Let's try 20. Now press Enter. We're already in semi-automatic, and with the new value entered, we're ready to run another shot. Again, we need to inspect a part to see if the shot size is correct. Pick up the part for examination. See the excess extending from the seam? This is a flashed shot. There was too much plastic in the shot. Release the part on the highlighted target. One more time, let's adjust the shot size. Call up the number pad. This time, enter. Now press Enter. With the new value entered, we're ready to run another test. Confirm that we're in semi-automatic. Start the cycle and let's see how we did. We need to inspect another part now. Pick up the part for examination. Excellent. This is a full shot. The shot is big enough to completely fill the mold, but not so big that it creates flash. Release the part on the highlighted target. The machine is correctly set, and we're now ready to make parts to fill our order. In this module, we learned about the phases of plasticizing and how to correctly set the shot size. This concludes the injection molding plasticizing training. You have completed the explainer section of this module. Press Next to proceed.
Please select a training mode.
When you're ready to you may begin this exercise in 3, 2, 1. Try again. Raise the value if short. Lower it if flashed. Try again. Raise the value if short. Lower it if flashed. Try again. Raise the value if short. Lower it if flashed. This is a full shot. Well done.
Excellent. Keep practicing to see if you can improve on your best score. Please select a trainee. Welcome to the exam. You will need to select the correct answer for each of the questions. Good try. Have another run through in explainer mode before trying again.